All right, this is set 2 of the practice problems. I'm going to go through, let's see, 1 through 3. Okay, so here we have 3 premises and our conclusion is Q and T. So what I want to do is disjunction elimination with lines 1 and 2 to get Q on a line by itself. Then I can do conjunction introduction to get Q and T. Okay, so here we have one long premise, and make sure you have the parentheses in the right spot. So we need parentheses around this whole part, C and, if D then F, and parentheses around A and B. You can have parentheses around the whole thing, but you don't need them. Okay, so what we want is A and D arrow F, so that means I need to get this part here, D arrow F on a line by itself, and A on a line by itself. Then I can put them back together with conjunction introduction. Okay, that should be a limb. Okay, so at this stage, let me point out, or let me remind you that you can only use these rules. In this case, I just used conjunction elimination 4 times. But you can only use conjunction elimination on the main connective. So here, the sentence that I have on line 1, the main connective is this ampersand right here. So when I do conjunction elimination, I'm eliminating this conjunction, which gives me this C and D arrow F, and it also gives me the A and B that I have here on line 4. Then, for instance, when I have A and B on line 4, I can do conjunction elimination again on this ampersand right here, and that gets me A. Okay, so now I want to do conjunction intro, and that's going to be lines 3 and 5. Okay, just remember that this line has to be, the A and the D arrow F have to be in the exact order that they're given up here. D arrow F and A and D arrow F mean the same thing, but this has to match this exactly. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is get this not D that's at the end of this sentence on line 1. I'm going to get this not D on a line by itself, and then I'm going to use disjunction introduction to get not D or F. Okay, so now I have not D, and you'll recall that disjunction introduction is, or may seem like an odd rule. As long as we have not D, then on a new line I can put not D wedge and anything else. I've got not D, so it's also true that not D or anything else is also going to be true. In this case, I want the anything else to be F. So wedge intro, and that just takes one line, the line 4. Okay.